I welcome today with a spirit of gratitude. I am grateful for the air that is filling my lungs. I am grateful for the heart that pumps blood through my body. I am grateful for the heart to forgive even those who come and never will apologize.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Candy Lady Snack Shop. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, y'all. I've been super busy. I am so sorry that I have not been posting, but I am back posting. There is a couple new videos been posted. Y'all go check them out. Today I had go pick up my dolly. So this is a different dolly for my vending machine. That the other one was different. The other one was lightweight, if y'all go back on that video. So this here, we just picked up a dolly. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all this dolly that I have. I use these to move my machine. It do have the 4-wheel in the back. It got a strap. This is a gunshot dolly. I don't have no truck enough for a pallet jack, all of that other extra stuff. I have to work what I got. This will get the job done. This will help move all my snack machine, my drink machine. So y'all can, if y'all trying to get into the business, the vending machine business, you can use a dolly or a pallet jack. I just went on and well, we got to go pick up the drink machine. So I'm gonna get ready, get everything situated, and we gotta go all the way, drive 2 hours to go pick up a drink machine. 2 hours, y'all. Can y'all believe that? So, man. But anyways, as y'all see, y'all can go on, definitely can check the Facebook Marketplace out, where I find these machines that is on the Facebook Marketplace. So that's where I find most of my used machines and stuff at. So if y'all look right here, me and the guy just conversating, asking question about the machine. I was trying to negotiate with the price. He wasn't coming down on that price. He already had went down on the price, so I was trying to get at least for about $500-600, at least 600. But you can negotiate with them. Just let them know what you got. So this guy was not coming down on this price here. So I think it's a good machine. He said everything working. It do take cans and bottles. And he said he was just trying, he's in the process of moving. He trying to hurry up, sell it, I guess. So y'all can check the Facebook Marketplace for snack machine, drink machine. I would recommend, I will probably do that in another video, but y'all got to secure the location first. You definitely got to secure the location. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna head on out and get this drink machine. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it, y'all. Let's go pick up this drink machine. Cause one of my previous location wanted a drink machine. A total of $800 for the drink machine that we about to go pick up. Like I said, I was trying to negotiate with the price, but the guy already had came down on the price before I had hit him up about the drink machine. So he still want the $800. So we got 300, we got 250s here, and a bunch of 20s. So yeah, Let's go, y'all. Got myself ready. Got my uniform on. Waiting on my partner to come up, pull up on me. Got everything I need. I got my dolly. I got my straps to strap the machine down. Also got 800 bucks for the drink machine, and we're gonna drop it off on the location. We're gonna see if I could find some drinks on sale, cause I've been trying to find drinks on sale, y'all. For a 12 pack of cases, like $8 to $12. I'm not about to pay that much, but like deals I'll be looking for like 4 for $10 on cases of drinks. Sometimes they used to have Fuego drinks for 4 for $10 sometimes. I just got to go out and look. By me having a snack business, I do have some drinks here as well, but I am low on drinks. So right now I just got Dr. Pepper and Pepsi. I got some Mountain Dew too, but I gotta get like root beer, Coca-Cola. I was thinking about putting some Bang energy drinks in there, but I can't find those nowhere around here. So, but anyway, but yeah, we're gonna wait till my partner pull up. And all right, thank you. I'm getting some gas. We got the U-Haul trailer, so we are on our way to pick up this drink machine. All right, y'all, we are here. Yep, third roll calling, turning. Yeah, that one turning. Yeah, that one turning. Yeah, yeah, that one.
Yeah, but in order for it to clear this, I'll have to do it regularly. Okay. 1, 2, 3. We'll do it like that then. I guess we'll do it like that. Yeah, for some reason it's not catching.
So we got to come back in.
Yeah, we
and
just want to clear this. So I guess we keep doing it the way you do it. If you want to do it the same way, where we just kind of use the wheel.
Can I get a feel for that? You gonna be on that conversation? Okay.
Just kind of lean it forward. You want to lean it forward to get the big wheels on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Come back to the gate. We get the big wheels on the gate.
All right, y'all, there's my drink machine.
Ready? Yep. 2, 3.
count that. Make sure that's 800. All right, I appreciate you.
it.
You too.
All right,
Thank
good
you.
luck to you.
All right, I
All
will.
right, y'all be safe. If you ever need an extra set of hands moving that, just call me. I'll be up and down 49. Just help y'all. All right. Look at my over there.